Mickey Thompson, customers, fans, future customers, here is the newest release, but not the only release that you guys have coming to you. These are a set of 17 by 12 canyons. Yes, 17 by 12 and 6 on 5.5. They will also be being built in all the other popular bolt patterns. But those are the first set to be mounted, balanced, and physically on a vehicle, period. Now, I told you guys to go up to the booth at the last Jamboree, and you guys were able to witness that wheel. There was one. Now there's 4. They're on this truck, and they are ready to go. Mounted and balanced around a set of Mickey Thompson Baja Legend EXP tires. Now, we've put 3 different wheel and tire combinations on this truck in the last 2 weeks. This is hands down the best riding, best driving combination, and best looking. Everybody that saw this truck sitting out front today in the sunlight has loved it. They have been absolutely beside themselves. But it's a Hugger orange and white Cheyenne 1971 K10. How can you not like it? But the tire and wheel fitment is amazing. Love the way the lug nuts are sunk up in there. The center cap fitment is perfect. They balanced. Absolutely spot on. Now, this tire's been available, but this wheel has not. So now you have, for your later model trucks, something that will fit with the calipers, that will fit the odd sizes. They will also give you lots of choices if you do want Mickey Thompson tires and Mickey Thompson wheels. Now you can do that. Most people would not think about putting a 17 on this truck. This truck would run a 15, but it definitely is spot on with that 17-inch wheel. Great depth, the way that it has the classic Indy look to the openings in the wheel, to us is just completely era correct. And again, to drive this truck, I mean, just tool down the road, just smooth. No noise to the tires. Now, of course, you can get this size in a MTZ, quite a few other Mickey Thompson options, but this is the one we chose just because of the fact it's kind of that mixed terrain. It's not an all-terrain. It's not a mud terrain. We love them. This is the second or third square body set that we've brought you guys a video on in just in the recent couple of days or week, I guess, since y'all have seen it. There it is, guys. The actual physical release of the 17 by 12 Canyon. Now, this is not the only thing you guys are going to see at SEMA. There's quite a bit more from Mickey Thompson. And we are signed off. You guys already know. NDA. But we're not far away. We're about a week away from filming the debut for you guys to see later. But you guys are going to see our content coming as soon as they tell us we can release it at SEMA. We're going to be there a day or two early, getting filming done, getting a lot of stuff taken care of, making sure the trucks are clean and arrive safely. And then as soon as the minute they say we can release it, we're going to blast it on the social media. AJ and Christian and anybody that we can feed it to, we're going to pump it out to you guys as fast as possible because we're excited. We're beyond excited. And a lot of people are like, man, I sure hope Mickey Thompson is taking care of you guys. You can trust us. We're just as big of a fan of Mickey Thompson as anybody. We're just happy to be able to represent the product and bring it to you guys. Thanks for the support. Thanks for watching. And always look to Mickey Thompson for your options, tires, wheels, and so many new sizes and options to come very soon. Thanks for the support. Thanks for watching. You guys made it happen. We'll see you at SEMA.